Artificial intelligence has emerged as a revolutionary technology impacting various industries across the globe. As AI continues to advance, it is poised to reshape numerous sectors, automating processes, enhancing efficiency, and driving innovation. While AI brings about significant benefits, it also poses a disruptive force that may render certain industries obsolete. In this video, we explore 6 industries that are likely to be transformed or even phased out due to AI advancements. Number 1. Manufacturing and assembly lines. The manufacturing and assembly line industry is the forefront of AI-driven disruption. AI technologies are revolutionizing the way products are manufactured by introducing advanced robotics and automation. Intelligent robots equipped with AI algorithms can perform intricate tasks with precision and speed, surpassing human capabilities. Machine learning algorithms play a pivotal role in optimizing manufacturing processes. They can analyze vast amounts of data collected from sensors and machinery to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and make real-time adjustments to production lines. By predicting maintenance needs and potential breakdowns, AI can minimize downtime and maximize operational efficiency. Furthermore, collaborative robots or cobots are designed to work alongside human workers, enhancing productivity and safety on the assembly line. These robots can perform repetitive and physically demanding tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of the production process. As AI continues to advance, it is anticipated that the manufacturing and assembly line industry will experience a significant shift in the job market. While certain roles may become obsolete, new opportunities will arise in areas such as robot programming, AI system maintenance, and data analysis. Embracing AI technologies in manufacturing is crucial to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Number 2. Transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics industry is undergoing a profound transformation with the integration of AI technologies. One of the most notable advancements is the development of autonomous vehicles. AI-powered self-driving cars, trucks, and drones have the potential to revolutionize transportation systems, offering increased safety, reduced traffic congestion, and optimized fuel efficiency. AI algorithms play a crucial role in optimizing route planning and navigation. By analyzing real-time data from traffic sensors, GPS systems, and historical patterns, AI can identify the most efficient routes, minimizing delivery times and fuel consumption. This not only benefits logistics companies, but also reduces the environmental impact of transportation. Moreover, AI enhances supply chain management by automating processes and improving efficiency. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data related to inventory levels, demand forecasts, and supplier performance, optimizing inventory management and reducing waste. Predictive analytics can help identify potential disruptions or bottlenecks in a supply chain. While the integration of AI in transportation and logistics brings numerous benefits, it also raises concerns about the impact on jobs. As autonomous vehicles become more prevalent, traditional driving roles may be at risk of obsolescence. However, new job opportunities will emerge, such as AI system operators, maintenance technicians, and data analysts, ensuring a transition to a new era of transportation and logistics powered by AI. Number 3. Retail and customer service. The retail industry is experiencing a significant transformation with the integration of AI technologies. AI-powered solutions are shaping, or should I say reshaping, the way customers interact with retailers and to the overall shopping experience. Personalized recommendations, chatbots, and virtual shopping assistants are becoming common features in online retail platforms. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of customer data, including browsing history, purchase behavior, and preferences, to provide personalized product recommendations. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also increases the likelihood of making a sale. Virtual shopping assistants powered by AI can guide customers through the shopping process, answer inquiries, and offer personalized assistance. In addition, AI technologies are streamlining inventory management and supply chain operations. AI algorithms can analyze sales data, customer trends, and external factors to optimize inventory levels, ensuring the products are available when and where they are needed. While AI is revolutionizing the retail and customer service, there are still concerns about the impact on traditional retail jobs. As online shopping and automated systems become more prevalent, the need for human cashiers and sales associates may diminish. However, new opportunities will arise in areas such as AI system management, data analysis, and customer experience enhancement, requiring a shift in skill sets and job roles within the industry. Number 4. Healthcare and medical diagnosis. The healthcare industry is on the verge of a transformative revolution with the integration of AI technologies. AI has the potential to revolutionize medical diagnosis, treatment planning, and patient care. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, diagnostic images, and research papers, to assist in diagnosing diseases accurately and efficiently. AI-powered diagnostic systems can provide valuable insights and assist healthcare for professionals in making informed decisions. These systems can identify patterns and anomalies in medical data, improving the accuracy of diagnosis and reducing the risk of human error. AI algorithms can also predict patient outcomes, helping healthcare providers tailor personalized treatment plans for better patient care. In addition, AI is enabling advancements in robotic surgery, enhancing precision and minimizing invasiveness. Surgeons can leverage AI-driven robotic systems to perform complex procedures with increased accuracy and efficiency, leading to improved patient outcomes and faster recovery times. Virtual health assistants and chatbots powered by AI are transforming the way patients interact with healthcare systems. These AI systems can provide basic medical information, answer common health questions, and offer guidance on self-care, alleviating the burden on healthcare professionals and improving access to information for patients. While AI technologies offer immense potential in healthcare, there are challenges to overcome, such as data privacy and ethical considerations. Furthermore, the integration of AI may lead to shifts in job roles within the healthcare industry. While certain tasks may become automated, healthcare professionals will still play a vital role in interpreting and utilizing the insights provided by AI. Number 5. Banking and financial services. The banking and financial services industry is undergoing a profound transformation with the integration of AI technologies. AI is revolutionizing various aspects of the industry, from customer service to risk assessment and fraud detection. AI algorithms are adept at analyzing vast amounts of financial data, enabling banks to make informed decisions regarding investment strategies, loan approvals, and risk assessment. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and trends in financial markets, helping financial institutions make more accurate predictions and optimize investment portfolios. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are enhancing customer service in the banking sector. These intelligent systems can handle routine inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and assist with financial transactions. By automating customer service operations, banks can provide round-the-clock support and free up human agents to focus on more complex customer needs. AI is also playing a crucial role in fraud detection and prevention. Advanced algorithms can analyze transactional data and identify suspicious activities in real time, enabling banks to take proactive measures to protect their customers' accounts and assets. As AI continues to evolve, the banking and financial services industry will experience a shift in job roles. With certain repetitive tasks may become automated, new opportunities will arise in areas such as AI system management, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Embracing AI technologies allows financial institutions to streamline operations, reduce costs, and provide more personalized and efficient services to their customers. Number 6. Legal services. The legal services industry is not immune to the transformative impact of AI technologies. AI is revolutionizing various aspects of legal work, including research, contract analysis, and document review. AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of legal data, including case law, statutes, and legal documents, to assist lawyers in conducting legal research more efficiently. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms enable AI systems to understand complex legal language and extract relevant information, saving lawyers valuable time and resources. Moreover, AI technologies can streamline the contract analysis process. Machine learning algorithms can review contracts, identify potential risks or inconsistencies, and extract key clauses and terms. This not only speeds up the contract review process but also minimizes the risk of human error. Document review, a labor-intensive task in legal proceedings, can also be enhanced with AI. AI algorithms can sift through large volumes of documents, identify relevant information, and flag documents for further review by a human lawyer. This improves the efficiency and accuracy of the document review process. While AI technologies are transforming certain aspects of legal work, the role of human lawyers remains crucial. AI systems can support lawyers in their tasks, but legal expertise, judgment, and advocacy skills are irreplaceable. The legal profession must adapt to the integration of AI technologies, embracing them as tools that augment their abilities rather than replacing them entirely. Thank you for exploring the 6 industries that are likely to face significant transformations as AI continues to advance, from transportation and logistics to manufacturing, retail, healthcare, banking, and legal services. AI technologies are reshaping the way we look at work and the way we work and live. Stay tuned for more exciting content on emerging technologies and their impact on various industries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates.